Good evening, friends. My name is Vijay Sarvadi. Today's date is 20th of April in 2022. Yesterday, we have seen about the stack and queue in Java. Today, we are going to discuss about main method in Java. Uh, the the main in starting point for JVM to start execution of Java program without the main method, JVM will not execute the program. Uh, let's discuss the syntax of the main method in Java. Uh, the first syntax we are going to discuss is public. It is the access specifier like protect, public, private. This is also access specifier. We should use a public keyword before main method so that JVM can identify the execution point of the program. If we use private or protected and default before the main method, it will not be visible to JVM. Only the public method is visible to JVM. The next syntax is a static. Uh, we can make a method static by using the keyword static. We should call the main method without creating an object. Static method are the method which invokes without creating the objects. So we do not need any objects call the main method. The next syntax is void. In Java, every method has the return type. Void keyword acknowledge the compiler that main method does not return any value. Uh, the next uh, the next syntax is main. Uh, the main syntax, it is a default signature which is predefined in JVM. It is called by JVM to execute a program line by line and end the execution after completion of this method. We can also overload the main method. The next syntax is string arguments. String args array. The main method also accepts some data from the user. It accepts a group of string which is called a string array. It is used to hold the command line argument in the form of string value. Here args is the array name and it is a string type. It means that it can store a group of string. Remember, this array can also store a good group of number, but in the form of string only. Values passed to the main method is called the arguments. These arguments are stored in args array. So the name args is generally used for it. Let's discuss the what happen if main method is written without string args. The program will compile but not run because JVM will not recognize the main method. Remember, JVM always looks for the main method with string type arrays as a parameter. Next is the execution process. First, JVM executes the static block, then it executes static method, and then it creates the objects needed by the program. Finally, it executes the instance method. JVM executes a static block on the highest priority basis. It means JVM first goes to the static block even before it looks for the main method in the program. The next is a overloading of main method. We can also overload the main method. We can define any number of main method in the class, but method signature must be different. This is all about the main method in Java. Let's discuss with another topic on tomorrow. Thank you.